Thank you, Chancellor. I now invite the Deputy Chancellor, Dr. Robin Mitchington, to perform the robing ceremony on behalf of the Council. This ceremony commences the installation of the University's fourth Chancellor. The robes, as our outgoing Chancellor has said, are symbolic of the investing of authority in the Chancellor. Could I please ask Mr. John Abbott AM and Mr. Graham Innes AM to come forward. I invite Her Excellency, the Honourable Dr. Jeanette Young, AC, PSM, Governor of Queensland, to deliver her address.
Members of Parliament, Mayors, CQUniversity outgoing Chancellor Mr John Abbott AM and Chancellor-elect Mr Graham Innes AM, Vice-Chancellor Professor Nick Klomp, University Council members, leadership, team and staff, Chancellors of James Cook University and the University of Southern Queensland, graduates, your family and friends, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I begin by thanking Auntie Nikki for welcoming us all here today and acknowledge her as one of the traditional custodians of the lands around Rockhampton. And I pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging and any First Nations people here today. I am truly honoured to have been asked to participate in this significant occasion in the life of CQUniversity. The robing ceremony we have just witnessed reflects the enormous responsibility and privilege that comes with the distinguished position of Chancellor of the University. As the incoming Chancellor, Mr Graham Innes AM has been entrusted to direct and guide CQUniversity and its many campuses on a path that will ensure ongoing success for the institution, its staff, and most importantly of all, the students who choose to enrol in this forward-thinking, world-class educational facility. As the university's fourth Chancellor, Graham will continue to build on the many achievements of his predecessors. And I take this opportunity to acknowledge the valuable contribution they have each made. Under their combined tenure, CQUniversity has grown to become one of the largest regional universities in Australia. As a pioneer of online learning and a champion of inclusivity, the university has positioned itself to welcome students from all walks of life, no matter where they live. I pay particular homage to outgoing Chancellor Mr John Abbott AM for his many years of outstanding commitment to CQUniversity and the many notable achievements of the university under his stewardship. I would also like to take a moment to congratulate today's graduates. Your dedication and hard work have prepared you for a brilliant future. I thank your families and friends who have supported you. I am sure they, as am I, are very proud of what you have achieved. In Queensland, we look to our universities to help us solve the many complex and pressing issues that face our world. CQUniversity's inclusive approach, I believe, has enabled greater access and participation across all faculties. This has resulted in many more diverse, creative and innovative minds coming together to work, think and discover. It is clear to me this university will flourish under Graham's leadership, for he brings with him an extraordinary range of experiences encompassing his eminence as a lawyer, author and company director. In addition to this expertise, Graham is a highly respected human rights advocate and champion of rights and access for people living with disability, which will no doubt see him continue to build on CQUniversity's admirable social change agenda. I commend the university on the choice of their incoming Chancellor and feel assured that CQUniversity will continue to lead the way in actively bringing about meaningful, positive and lasting change to the betterment of our wonderful state. Chancellor, on behalf of all Queenslanders, I congratulate you on today's installation and I wish you every success.
Thank you, Your Excellency. I invite Mr Graham Innes, AM, to take the oath of office. Okay, there we go.
Thanks, Colin.
Governor's on your left.
Yep. Oh, sorry. As Chancellor, I promise to fulfil the duties and obligations of Chancellor of Central Queensland University. I will promote the interests of the university for the advancement of learning, teaching and research through engagement with the communities we serve. I will, with Council, ensure the university strives to meet the needs of our students, our employees, our industries and our communities. I will uphold the values of the university in all that I do. I will carry out my responsibilities with diligence, wisdom and good humour.
Graham Innes, the Council of this university has appointed you to the office of Chancellor to carry out diligently and faithfully your responsibilities under the Central Queensland University Act 1998. Ensure that the Council of the University performs its functions and exercises its powers appropriately, effectively and efficiently, and govern the university in achieving its mission to be Australia's most accessible, supportive and engaged university, providing world-class transformative education and research for our students, partners and communities. Graham Gordon Innes, I now formally install you as Chancellor of Central Queensland University and wish you and your university every success.